Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our English lesson. So, for today's lesson, we are going to look into the second unit or the next unit in our English Year 6 textbook, which is appreciating others. Okay, so by the end of this video, you should be able to express happiness, concern, support, and sorrow in different situations. And also, you should be able to write the correct expressions in different situations. Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, when do we express happiness or concern or support or even sorrow to someone? Right? We will encounter so many different situations in our life. It could be happy, it could be sad, right? So for happiness, during birthday or going for a holiday or even in someone's achievement, if they pass a test with flying colors, so how should you express your happiness? Okay, and then concern. When do you express your concern? When someone is sick or when you hear any bad news from anyone. And then when do you express your support? Maybe when someone is sitting for examination, competition, or for any interview. And lastly, how or no, when do you express your sorrow? So you express it when someone has just passed away, or maybe a friend of yours has just lost his family members. Okay? So how? Now we are going to look at how do you say it? How do you do it? Okay, for example, for happiness. Happy birthday, my dear friend. I hope you have fun on your birthday. Or maybe you can just say congratulations for being the winner. So this sentence is applicable to those who have won any competition or any race, for example. Okay, so if you look at your textbook, this is what is being given to you. When someone is celebrating his or her birthday, you can say, hope you have a wonderful birthday filled with love and fun. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday. Okay. Next one. How do you express your support? Okay, look at this example. I wish you all the best for your football match. I hope your team will be the winner. So when your friend is involved in any competition or any match, so you show your support by saying this thing, okay? Or maybe when your friend is going to sit for his exam, you can just say good luck for your exam, Haris. So, and if you look at your textbook, when someone is sitting for an examination, you can say wish you good luck in your examination. Work hard and believe in yourself. All the best. Okay? Alright, now move on to concern. Okay, how do we express our concern? So please take care of yourself. You have to drink lots of water and eat healthy food. And other than that, you can also say, if you need help in doing our mathematics task, you can just call me. So for these two sentences, it shows that you are concerned about someone, okay, but in different situation. For the first example, it shows that someone is not feeling well. In the second example, it shows that you show your support or your concern if your friend are having difficulties in doing their homework. Okay, next one. Okay, sorrow. How do you express it? So when you hear someone has lost their family members, so you can just say, I am sad to hear about the loss of your cat. I hope you will find your cat soon. So this is not family member. This is focusing on the pet. Okay. So some of us, we got pet at home. It can be cat, dogs, even fish. Okay. And the next one, my deepest condolences to you and your family during this hard time. Okay. So you show your empathy to your friend when she or he has lost one of his family members. Okay. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, these can be found in your textbook. Okay. So what would you say to someone who has passed the examination with flying colors? So you would say, congratulations on your achievement. Your hard work has paid off and has just undergone surgery. How do you say that? Take care of yourself. I hope that you will have a speedy recovery. Okay, and the third one, how to wish or how to say when your friend is participating in national storytelling competition. So you say, I wish you all the best for your storytelling competition. I hope you will be the winner. And last one, has lost his or her beloved pet. So you can just say, I am sorry to hear about the loss of your pet. I hope you are strong to handle this, and I am always here if you need me. Okay, so move on to the next one. All right, this one, ways of appreciating others. So also can be found in your textbooks. And then you can see here, how do you show your appreciation to others? It can be by giving them gifts, flowers, you offer helps or assist others, as well as to express gratitude. Okay. Alright, so in terms of gift, you can buy from shop or even create creative greeting cards. After that, flower, you can give them a pot of flower plants. Other than that, you can be a helpful friend or helpful child to your parents. And lastly, you can praise someone's kindness. When they help you, you can praise them for their kindness. Alright, I think that's all for today's lesson. I hope you get through what we are trying to do today. And then if you have any question, you can just ask me, okay? So, alright, stay safe at home. See you in the next lesson. Bye.